Welcome viewer to IndianSpiceMix.com. Today we are going to learn Parwal Aloo fry, and for this we need around 12 parwals or pointed gourd, around 2 potatoes sliced in thin wedges. We also need oil around 3 tablespoons and salt as per taste. 3 basic spices we need here: chilli powder, turmeric powder and garam masala powder. We will wash the parwals and peel the skin of the parwal, leaving some skin as it is, as it adds color to the dishes and also gives some firmness even after cooking is done. We'll cut them into half and then slice them 3 pieces. This way we will cut all the parwals and keep it ready for cooking. The best part of this recipe is that it does not need any fancy ingredient or spices. So aim of this recipe is to bring out vegetables' own flavor, and that makes this recipe so simple yet so delicious. We'll heat the pan and then pour the oil to allow it to become hot. The oil should be smoky hot. And now it's time. We will add the parwals first. And mix them well with oil. We'll cook this dish in low to medium flame. And now it's time to add the potatoes. We'll stir and saute till both parwals and potatoes are half done and on low to medium flame. We'll cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. We will not add any extra water to this dish, and allow to cook the vegetables in its own juice. You can see water is already oozing out from parwals, and this is what we want in this recipe. Now we'll add some red chilli powder, also some turmeric powder. We'll give everything a very nice mix, but gently. In this recipe, all the vegetables will be cooked but they will not be mushy. They will not lose their texture. We will keep on stirring so the veggies are well cooked and they are coated with the spices, but they will not get burnt at the bottom of the pan. We'll cover it with a lid and then we'll uncover after 5 minutes. We'll add garam masala powder and mix everything well. Now all the vegetables are properly cooked. But they all are separate and they didn't lose their texture. As the veggies are cooked on their own juices and we didn't add any extra water, you can see there is a gloss on the sides of the parwals and they are getting their color. A golden color is there, which is what we want. Check the softness of the vegetables. Ensure that they are firm but well cooked. Whenever we do not add any extra water and we cook the vegetables with minimum amount of spices and with very less oil, we'll ensure the entire cooking process is done on low to medium flame, so that we give the chance to the vegetables to release their own juice, and we want to cook in that juice. And this gives an extra flavor which generally doesn't get overpowered by adding extra spices. And in this recipe we are trying to explore that aroma, that flavor of the vegetables. Vegetable is now ready and it is right time to transfer into a bowl. This sabji can be served with chapati, fulka or even with plain hot rice and dal. As the sabji is dry, you can also pack this sabji in tiffin box. If you find some fresh parwals next time in the market, get some and cook this recipe for your family. Let me know how it went. If you like this recipe, please like and share and comment. Also subscribe to this channel for more such videos.